We got an interest rate showdown. Whoa, 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 whoa. I thought the Fed was supposed to be apolitical. Whoa, 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 whoa. I thought the Fed isn't supposed to have an opinion about these affairs. They have a dual mandate, unemployment and inflation. That's all they're supposed to care about. At least highest priority, above all else. You have the president coming out, taking shots at Jay Powell. Why? Because he's warning everyone about a growth slowdown because of the tariffs, the level at which they've been deployed, the way in which they've been deployed. The market fell today for no reason. Scott Bessent and Jay Powell speak every week. That's the Treasury Secretary and the Federal Reserve Governor. And even if you lower interest rates, what's that going to do? That means we could buy a house for cheaper, money is cheaper, money's more available. Great. Who's going to go outside and go buy a Ferrari or do whatever? You're going to feel no more breathability by more money being available. If you had more access to credit right now, most people would spend. There'd be a modest uptick. We're worried about the framework of how everything works. People are questioning whether China is going to usurp or already has usurped the United States as the superpower. And I would make the argument that maybe they have. They have a 1 million man army. I think they have 2 million people in their army across all branches. They have a ton of money. They have the technology. Why do we have to be adversarial? But there are infractions that I think we are a little bit inexcusable. We're trying to throw tariffs as a number one policy agenda, or at least that's the way the media is handling it, for 3% in GDP. It's negligible to begin with. And now we're challenging our Fed governor. We're challenging our underpinnings of our Constitution. Why? And to what avail? Yes, interest rates are low. Yes, things feel choked out. Yes, these are the lowest interest rates we have had in our history. They should go higher, and they will. That does not mean that everyone's just going to start spending money tomorrow and we're all going to be happy and confident. We need policy in place that settles the dust completely. They're calling this the Sell America trade right now. It's got its own name. Let me know what you think in the comments, and please like, subscribe, and support.